Guys, this part of the reason I'm doing this, these are hand sewn boards from a mill. Sorry. These are hand sewn boards from a mill, and we brought them home and they were wet. And we parked them under this pole barn to let them dry, but I put a cover on them because it was raining when I brought them home, and I didn't take it off, and these boards got mold on them. And I've looked at a bunch of stuff, and apparently if you put fire to the mold, it kills the spores. So I'm trying to just basically do that, and it helps me to sand them. I'm just taking this little orbital sander down here, which you're fixing to see, and I'm just sanding them to get the majority of the rough stuff off the finish. And then also you get these little hairs right here. Can you see that? Can they see that? See these little hairs sticking up right here? Yeah, can they see that? Also getting that off, so that when we put them up, you know, they'll be fairly, you know, manicured boards and not quite as rough. All right, I'm fixing to sand. Get a hold to it, bro. No, man, no.
Do you want me to do it?
Dude's trying to pull it the other way.
Come here, I'll do it.
No, I'm going to. Why didn't you do it like I told you to, bro? It broke off.
He didn't want to hurt you.
Get a razor knife, cut open.
Yep. Did you get it?
No, it is breaking off now.
Come here, let me get it. Yeah, I'm on. Ta-da.
See that? This has got sap on this end.
See, what you gonna do, burn it?
No, need to scrape it off with something.
Need to what?
Scrape it off with something.
Okay.
Not bad looking wood.